Hi, I'm Chef Carl Food Whisperer, and today I'm really crabby. So we're going to have prime fillets with bernaise sauce and sautéed mushrooms, Alaskan king crab legs stuffed in a shell. So we'll be right back. Hi, Chef Carl here. As you know, I always ask you to support our military and first responders. Our sponsors, Janet Churchill Britt and her husband, Doug Britt, are with Keller Williams Realty here in Kennewick and are offering significant savings to all hero groups when you sell or buy a home. This includes all military, active, reserve, and veterans. Also, law enforcement, teachers, and all frontline employees. Give them a call and tell them that Chef Carl sent you.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, we're back now, and what I'm going to do is just salt and pepper these fillets. They're about 4-ounce fillets. They're prime fillets. Can't get much better than that. And I got these nifty salt and pepper shakers my son gave me for Christmas. So, son, if you're watching, Dad's using your gift. I suppose I have the tongs here for turning them, but being a chef, I use my fingers. I'm sorry. And you don't want to over salt anything. So then you give them a little massage. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on this grill pan. We're going to cook them hopefully to medium rare. We're going to pull them off to the side, and then I'm going to show you how to get the crab meat out of these shells and what we're going to do next. I'm going to put a little butter. Never mind. Okay, now I'm going to put these fillets on the griddle. It's got grill thingies. That's the technical term for it, grill thingies. Going to add a few sliced mushrooms. And now we wait. After the steaks are done, and I will get the crab meat, I made these really cute puff pastry containers. I'm going to put the crab meat in there and pour a little melted butter over the top. And by Petrus Farm. The products are always great. With that being said, I'm going to get rid of this. It should take another 1 or 2 minutes on this side. We're going to flip them over about 3 minutes, and then we're going to pull them off the heat. And then I'm going to start doing the crab meat. Okay, I'm going to flip over the steaks now. Got nice char marks. Kind of move the mushrooms around. Like I said, these should take about another minute or two, and that's all it's going to take. I'm going to take these off. You can see the nice lines. If these steaks were thicker, I would leave them on a little longer. But and now what I'm going to do is take some Tennessee honey, Yukon Jack, and do a little flambe. Get some flavor with these mushrooms. So Whoa! Hoppa! Do I have any hair missing? More than normal? Okay. Alright, that's good. I'm going to pull this off to the side. Smells good. Now these are crab legs. I thawed them out. And they're pre-cracked, which is nice because you try splitting these darn things. And they're a pain in the dupa. And king crab meat is like $30 a pound or $40 a pound. So this is only for special holidays, events, anniversaries. And you have to look inside here. They have what these little pieces of, I call them stays. You don't want to eat those. Now this is more than enough for what I need, so I'm not going to break these open. So, I'm just going to microwave this for like 30 seconds. So now the microwave the king crab meat for about 30 seconds. We're ready to plate it up and then enjoy, I hope, a fantastic meal. I'm stuffing these shells. Gonna put a few mushrooms on, and you don't have to use mushrooms. I just put these on here to take ward. We got the steaks, the crab meat, the shells. These are some nice sliced carrots I put out. I microwave them. You always want the Bearnaise sauce kind of running down the side. Okay, we got our melted butter. I see the steam coming up. Now this isn't a meal you have if you're on a diet. This is like anniversary, birthday, Valentine's Day. So, okay, so now give Warren a taste, see what he thinks. Okay, Mr. Ward, taste that sauce.
Oh, man. Thank you, Carl. Let me see here. It looks delicious.
Well, Bearnaise sauce is something that you don't see, and a lot of restaurants will take a powder and they add butter to it and this and that. And see how the crab meat's going. It's okay, Ward? I guess I take it as yes.
Take it as a yes. You got it, Carl.
All right. So that's our meal. It's a special holiday, but for birthdays and Valentine's Day and whatever else you got, anniversaries. And I'm Chef Carl, and I want to thank all the military people out there, past, present, future, for serving our country, all the first responders. I want to thank Grilling and Chilling with Mojo. He's helped me get more views. If you want to see something made, leave a comment and I'll try to make it for you. So with that being said, I'm Chef Carl, and I'm really not crabby. And we'll see you next time for a brand new show. Bye.